Hello, in this video I am getting my friend Ashley to do a tutorial on how to do gel nails at home. So, hope you enjoy.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about doing your nails at home, gel nails. And so we have Eliza Olive here, and she's the nail model. And we first, to prep your nails to do the gel paint, you need to have a file and a sanding block just to kind of sand your nail down to make it smooth. And then also just file them to the length that you would like for them to be. I also used cuticle cream just to kind of push her cuticles back and make sure that I have all of her nail exposed to get the most paint on her nail. And so next you need a UV or an LED light. And so either will work. This one I have actually is both. So I don't know really the difference, except that you just need a light to be able to curate the paint. And so you also need to be sure that you get the gel paint color. It's not going to work with the regular paint. And then you also need a base coat and a top coat. The base coat kind of prepares your nail for the gel paint, and then the top coat just seals it in. And so first what I do is I'm going to dehydrate her nail with a pH bond, and it basically just helps her nail dehydrate so the paint will last longer. And then I will put on a base coat, and she will put it under the light for a minute to curate to her nail, and then we will do a layer of paint, and then we'll do the light again, and we'll continue that. And we do 3 layers of paint, and then we'll do a top coat. So here we go. And one thing with the base coat, you want to be sure that it's a thin layer just so it doesn't curate and be lumpy at all. So you want to be sure it's a thin, even layer across all of the nail. Okay, so I've already done 2 coats of paint, and we've put them in the light every time for just a minute. And so I'm going to finish with the 3rd coat, put it back in for a minute, and then do a top coat to kind of seal everything in, and we'll put that in for 2 minutes. I like to do 2 minutes just to be sure that it's all dry and that when she takes it out, there's nothing to worry about and that it's not sticky or anything. And so I'm going to finish with the 3rd coat. So now we finished curating the 3rd coat, and so now we're going to finish with the top coat. Like I said, just a thin layer. We just want to be sure it locks in all of the color and the polish, and then we're going to put each hand in for 2 minutes to finish. Okay, so now we have just done both hands with 3 coats, and we put it in for 2 minutes on that last coat. And then, for the top coat, we did 2 minutes, I'm sorry. And so now to finish everything off, you just need a cotton ball and you need some alcohol, and you're just gonna go over each nail with the alcohol just to be sure that it's not sticky and that everything is good to go. And they're gonna be curated and dried, and so she can do whatever she wants when she's done, and you don't have to wait and let them air dry. All right, and that's it.